Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the cleaning service that I requested for my TCL 1.5 HP split type air conditioner. This air conditioner has been with me for 1 year and 9 months now, and it's been working great. But recently I noticed that it started dripping water again from the indoor unit. This is a sign that the air conditioner needs some cleaning and maintenance. So I decided to get it cleaned and share the process with you. Before I start, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on my new videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible.
Drain. Itubig ko nagbubulos yan. Sasaro.
The cleaning for my TCL 1.5 HP split type air conditioner only took an hour. He said there are already some jelly that block the drain pipe. I also get cleaning and maintenance service every 9 to 10 months. By doing this maintenance, you can extend the lifespan of your air conditioner, save on electricity bills, and improve the air quality of your room. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need it. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on this channel, where I review different products and services that I use in my daily life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.